Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to manage who can comment on your post on Facebook. Maybe you want to limit the people on who can comment on your post on your Facebook, but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can manage on who can comment on your Facebook post. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you'll be directed into this page. And then in here, to continue, simply tap on this profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you'll be directed into this page. And what you'll need to do is to simply scroll down. And you will see the settings and privacy. Simply tap on it. And then you will see here the settings. Simply tap on the settings. And then now, once you are in the settings and privacy, below that you will see the preferences and audience and visibility. Under the audience and visibility, you need to tap on these followers and public content. And then in here, to manage your public post comment, simply scroll down and you will see in here the public post comment. Choose who is allowed to comment on your public post. And now, you can set it to public, friends of friends, or just friends. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to manage who can comment on your posts on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on who can comment on your posts on Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.